You ever wonder how plants go from making a 1 carbon molecule like CO2 into a 6 carbon molecule like glucose? Well, wonder no longer. I'm here to show you. Energy in plants is in the form of sugar and ATP. Sugar is made from by the plants because they are autotrophs, which means they produce their own complex molecules from simple molecules. The way a plant does this is by going through a process called photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, there are two main sub-processes that do two different things needed by the plant. The first stores energy from the sun in the form of ATP, and the second, which is also known as the Calvin cycle, forms sugar by capturing carbon. To start off the Calvin cycle, we need two things: CO2 and ribulose biphosphate, or RUBP for short. These are bonded together by an enzyme called rubisco. This 6 carbon molecule is quickly split into two shorter chains that contain 3 carbons each. These are called phosphoglycerates, or PGAs for short. Taking 2 PGAs and using energy from ATP, the cycle bonds a hydrogen from NADPH to each of the PGAs, which we would now call glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, or G3P for short. Now we use the 2 G3P molecules we created and make glucose, and I guess we're pretty much done, right? Nope. Because the Calvin cycle is self-sufficient, we need a way to make those RUBP that we used at the beginning. While we've only been looking at one production line, so to say, there's actually been 5 more working in the background to refill the RUBP that we used at the beginning. In all of these production lines, the same process occurs, except the only difference is that one of the production lines makes glucose, while the other 5 are working to refill the RUBP that we used at the beginning. A total of 12 G3P are made. 2 of those make glucose, while the other 10 are bonded in different ways to renew the RUBP. First, 3 G3P are bonded, making a 9 carbon molecule. This is then split into one 5 carbon molecule, known as RUBP, and one 4 carbon molecule. Next, we take 2 more G3P and bond it to the 4 carbon molecule we made earlier. This gives us a 10 carbon molecule, which is then split into 2 5 carbon molecules. This entire process occurs twice, making 6 RUBP in total, and all 6 production lines are restored.